Okay, I'm gonna start off using the Maybelline Master Primer. Just gonna rub that into my face, and I'm gonna use the NARS concealer and put that all over my eyelids just to prime them for my eyeshadow. I'm just gonna buff that out, you guys, and I'm gonna use the Morphe times James Charles eyeshadow palette. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and check the description box below. I'm going to deepen my crease using that, like, it's an orange shade. Then I'm going to go in with the Juvia's Place palette and use the brown to also deepen my crease. I'm going to cut my crease using the ColourPop concealer. It's called No Filter Concealer. You really got to be taking your time when you do these cut creases. You got to just make sure everything is just even and, you know, looking together. I'm going to go in with this like gold shimmer shade and put that in my inner corners. And I'm going to go in with this more so bronze shade. It's a shimmer as well. Put that in the middle of my lids. It looks so pretty. I love this eyeshadow, you guys. For my outer corners, I'm going to go in with like this pink shade. It's just a matte shade, and it actually looks pretty good with those other colors. I'm going to do somewhat of a dramatic wing liner with the Kat Von D tattoo liner. I forgot the name of the lashes I'm using today, but y'all, these lashes are so freaking bomb. Like, I love them. I'm going to put the name of them in the description boxes below. And I'm going to use the NARS foundation, and I'm just going to buff that into my skin with the flat kabuki brush. Y'all already know this is one of my favorite foundations. I'm going to still using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. I'm going to blend that concealer out using my damp beauty sponge. It's actually the Morphe beauty sponge. I'm going to set my concealer using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder, you guys. You already know this is one of my favorites. I really like set my whole face using that setting powder, but I'm going to contour using the Aestheticus contour palette. Just put the warmth back into my skin. I'm just going to dust away the excess setting powder and just blend everything out. Just want to clean up my contour with a little bit of setting powder. I'm contouring my nose with that same contour palette. I'm going to make my lower lashes pop using the Big Colossal mascara. Then I'm going to highlight using the Fenty Beauty. I forgot the name of it. I think it's called Hustle Baby. Highlighter. I'm going to list it down below. Now y'all know I love when I highlight pop. Just look at it. Just appreciate this highlighter. I'm going to use the NYX Brown Lip Liner, and then I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Lip Gloss. I forgot the name of it. I will list it down in the description box below. And this is the final look, you guys.